we're here with AZ Night Tracks. We're here in Yuma, Arizona with some of the fastest pilots from across the US, battling it out for money tonight at the Yuma Holloween Drone Prix 2019. Beautiful, once-in-a-lifetime tracking set up here. The AZ Night Tracks crew, full of LEDs, over 100 lit-up obstacles. Even our signature moving axe gauntlet gate, which adds a lot of extra spice to it and action. It's going to be an action-packed night tonight. We're here just trying to create a lot of FPV fun and show the community a whole new sport and something that's super rad. So come on out and join us because it's going to be a good night.
Hi there, my name's Tang. I go by Junebug FPV. I started drone racing about 3-4 years ago because my husband was really into it, so I started doing it also to spend more time with him. But it's one of those things, once you start, you're forced to learn all these new things and you get sucked in and you can't really stop. So that's what I did. I just kept with it, kept practicing, kept learning new things, and now I'm here at the Yuma Night Tracks race with a bunch of guys and just trying to keep up.
Guys, AK FPV here. We are out here in Yuma, Arizona, flying the AZ Night Tracks Holloween Drone Prix. Had qualifying last night, having a great time out here. We're about to head into finals here shortly in about an hour and a half, getting our practice in, getting ready. So we're just gonna push as hard as we can, try and catch this guy. He's too quick.